Morning, Doug here again with a video about repairing the mounting holes for your Harley touring windshields. You'll know that in the past, Harley had these inserts that were just friction fit and they come loose and then you don't get your windshield. A lot of times guys will not get their windshield in properly where it goes and sits on there, and then they over tighten it and it spider cracks your windshield. So the proper way of supposed to do these, and a couple of these tips I got from the tech at Harley. These are the inserts you need. They're threaded inside and out. Here's the part number. It's a 3/8 by 16 thread. So go down or order from Amazon a tap, 3/8 by 16 tap. Now you notice that this has been ground off. You'll have to grind this off a little bit, about 3/8 of an inch, because these holes in here where the inserts go are only 5/8 inches deep. The insert is a 1/2 inch depth. So because they're larger OD, just get you a tap, grind it off. I've tapped this middle one out already, and then use one of your windshield screws and a loose nut, and then just tighten it in there once you get it tapped. The last couple of threads, use some super glue, put that on there, and then they'll be permanently fixed and you won't have those inserts coming out anymore. I hope that helps. Take care. We'll talk to you guys later.